In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decline a money request on PayPal, and we'll get this done in just 5 minutes. Whether you've received a money request or an invoice that you're not quite ready to accept, or you simply want to decline, PayPal allows you to do this with just a few simple steps. Let's walk through this together so you can easily manage your financial transactions with confidence. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Go to PayPal's website and use your credentials to sign in. This will take you straight to your dashboard. It's important to ensure you're logging in on a secure network. This means avoiding public Wi-Fi with open access, which can sometimes expose you to security risks. Once you've logged into the dashboard, the next step is to locate the Activity tab. This tab is usually found at the top of your screen. By clicking on Activity, you will be able to see all recent transactions and activities associated with your PayPal account. This area gives you a clear and concise view of what has been happening with your account, including any incoming money requests or invoices that have been recently sent your way. Next, you'll need to click on All Transactions. This section provides a comprehensive list of every transaction you've made. By accessing this, you'll be sure that nothing is left unseen, including pending money requests that you might want to address. In the list of transactions, you should see the money request or invoice that you're looking to decline. Scroll through until you find the specific transaction you are concerned with. Pay careful attention to ensure you've selected the correct transaction, as you wouldn't want to accidentally decline something important. Once you have identified the request or invoice, it's time to take action. To decline, you simply click on Cancel or Decline on the transaction details. PayPal will prompt you to confirm this decision by clicking Yes. This extra step is there to make sure that your decision is intentional, as canceling or declining can't be undone once confirmed. Taking a moment to ensure you're certain is always a good practice, and that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully declined a money request on PayPal. Now you are in control of your financial transactions, capable of managing requests with ease. Remember, keeping track of your transaction activity regularly can help you maintain control of your finances and spot any unusual requests quickly. Thanks for following along, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips.